Hello everyone, this is Vinay Pal Singhvist. In this video, we will see how reactive oxygen species affect mitochondria. Reactive oxygen species or ROS can simply be defined as oxygen containing reactive species. It is a collective term which includes superoxide, hydrogen peroxide, hydroxyl radical, singlet oxygen, peroxyl radical, alkoxyl radical, lipids, hydroperoxide, peroxynitride, hydrochlorous acid, and ozone. These are set of unstable molecules having extra electrons, and as a result they give electrophilic reactions. ROS are widely involved in basic mechanism and pathways. They not only impair cells and tissues with oxidative damage but also play an important role in many homeostasis processes involving metabolism, immunity, growth, and differentiation. ROS are produced inside mitochondria. Mitochondria are protected from ROS by multiple defense systems and antioxidants. When the amount of ROS increases in mitochondria, it starts damaging mitochondria. First of all, it damages the mitochondrial respiratory chain. Chronic ROS exposure can result in oxidative damage to mitochondrial and cellular proteins, lipids, and nucleic acid, and acute ROS exposure can inactivate the iron sulfur centers of the electron transport chain complex 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acidic cycle aconitase, resulting in shutdown of mitochondrial energy production. It disturbs the calcium homeostasis. Excess ROS produced in the mitochondria promote calcium uptake and increase membrane permeability, which results in the release of cytochrome C and initiate apoptosis. It also damages mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondrial DNA is thought to be particularly susceptible to ROS attack and associated with oxidative stress. The persistence of mitochondrial DNA damage ultimately leads to mutations in the mitochondrial genome and give rise to further mitochondrial dysfunctioning, which induces and aggregates the diseases. It changes mitochondrial membrane permeability and structure. Peroxidation of mitochondrial phospholipid can increase proton permeability of the inner mitochondrial membrane, alters the fluidity and other biophysical processes of mitochondrial membrane, and impair biochemical functioning of various transporters and respiratory enzymes in the inner and outer membranes. In addition, the inner sulfur centers of respiratory enzymes are prone to oxidative modifications, and electron transport functioning of the mitochondria may be impaired by ROS under oxidative stress, as a result of which mitochondria damages, and which leads to several neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and so on. Thank you.